Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Got a new direction for the camera today as well. Let me know guys what you think about the new camera angle. It's a little bit different than the one we had before. I'm going to keep looking over there because that's my habit. But we do have a new camera angle on the channel. So yeah, hope you guys like new camera angle. I hope it makes it look a little bit more cleaner. And yeah, welcoming everyone. So today's video, we are going to be doing a unboxing and maybe a bit of a review, or maybe just like thought, like impressions of the item we are looking at today. And you guys let me know in the comment section how it sounds as well. So today I'm going to be doing a unboxing of the brand new HyperX Quadcast 2, which has recently revealed, which is very good. I'm very much looking forward to checking this product out. So what I'm going to quickly do, I'm going to open this up, bad boy up, and then we'll see what's in the box. I'll show you guys what's in there. Then what we'll do is I will plant it somewhere, and we'll just talk straight into it, and I'll show you the different directions, and you guys let me know if it sounds good or not. And that is the plan. So give me one moment, guys. I'll get this unboxed, and we'll have a look what is inside. Okay then, guys. So it's got a very nice, immediately I've got to say, comes with an awesome little rip thing on the actual box. I cut it then because I thought I was going to waste my time for a couple of minutes there with all of the I thought it was going to be the challenge of unboxing that, but comes with a really cool little picture just welcoming you to then all of the documentation. What you'd usually find is at the top, of course. Now we'll get this bad boy open, get the boring part done. So inside, this is what the box looks like it arrives in. Very well packaged. They've done an amazing job with that. Okay, that's interesting. So what they do is they immediately send it. Sorry guys. They send it like that. That's quite interesting. That is quite an interesting way of packaging it. That's very interesting indeed. So okay. So this comes with a very nice base stand. It's a very metal build, very good metal quality build. I really do like the feel, the touch at the moment as well of the actual product. It feels very strong. They've actually built this very well, and honestly, I'm impressed. So it's even got a very clean. What I do know about the product, the top of the product here, you can press on and off. It does different colors, which is really cool. And honestly, so far, build quality and going from everything like that, I'm pretty impressed. What we'll do as well, let's have a look what else comes with this. Sorry guys, let's go through the box. I'm trying to make myself look there we go. So it comes with the USB cable. Very nice USB cable, I have to say. That's a very good. I always think braided cables are always a must, always a go-to in my opinion. And that's pretty much all what is in there currently. So what I'm going to do now is, now we've got everything out and we've got it all open, what we'll do is I will attach it to this frame onto the mic arm, and we will have a listen to how it sounds. Let me know guys. So yeah, just give me a few so yeah, I'll see you guys once I've put it on. So guys, right now is the out of box sound. This is literally, I've just connected it to the PC right now. And I'm currently like I'd say about 3 meters away from the microphone. So let me know how it sounds. I think it may be popping a little too loud. So headphone users, do be warned. I definitely turn down your volume. So hopefully I'm not blowing out your eardrums at the moment. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna go through turning it all the way up, and then we're gonna turn it all the way down. We'll see what the sound is like. So it's gonna get very loud quickly, guys. So I do apologise. So this is around about, we're getting up to the highest setting right now. Yeah, sorry everyone, I've just seen that pop. Yeah, that's really bad. Sorry everyone. So what we're doing right now, I'm going downwards. We're going to go down. We'll see what the sound's like. I think it's getting better from the looks of it. Around a 3. Yeah. I'd say if you got a voice like mine, I'd say I'm quite loud. I've got a very generic loud voice. So I'd say about 4 would be perfect if I'm being brutally honest. But we're going to go lower. Yeah, so that if you go all the way down onto the final one, it drops it down to a 1. So this is how it's going to sound if it's on 1 bar. And I think this is on stereo if I remember correctly. So up top as well, we're going to quickly test the on and off mute. Yep, that basically done the job. Done the job. I keep looking over there. I'm so sorry, everyone. So what we're going to do, I'm going to have a quick look at the settings now. I'm so sorry, I'm going to be loud for a second. Okay. I thought this had different patterns on it. That's my bad. I think this has only got one thing. This is a yeah, I think this is, sorry everyone, our neighbours has decided they're horny right now. No. But yeah, so I'm gonna turn it down to a level I think is respectable. But yeah, there's no, unless it's right at the bottom. No, that's not there. So yeah, this is, from the looks of it then, I thought this was like a multi-layered mic, but no, it's just, yeah, it's mainly, unless, does that do anything? No, I don't think that does anything. Maybe through the settings and that, I'm guessing, once you fully set this up. But mainly, I wanted to put up this video as a generic way to test the mic, see how it sounds. I'm hoping it still sounds good for a lot of people. Ah, that's so clever. Okay, I don't know how to show you guys this, but up top here, I'm guessing it's when you set it up, there's like a little half rotor sort of thing, and I think it's to tell you what one. I think this might actually be then a 4-layered mic. So sorry everyone, I'm looking so unprofessional right now. Yeah, it does have multiple monitoring and polar pans. Yeah, it does have it. So I'm guessing once you go into the settings we do that. But mainly I just wanted, this is going to be the main one though we're all going to kind of be using anyway. I'm guessing once you start like putting a few settings and everything on it, it should sound better. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the sound. I hope it's not too loud for you guys. Hope it's sounding great. And I'm gonna have a fiddle with this, see what I can get going. But yeah, this is basically just the unboxing and giving it a try out and seeing what it's like. And let me know what you think, guys. Let me know what you think. And again, apologize for sounding coldy. Like I've got a bad cold on me. Unfortunately, picked up COVID over the last week or so. So that's been fun. But yeah, hope everyone's doing well. Hope you have a great day. And I want to say a massive thank you for coming out. I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you all soon, guys. Take care, everyone.